I'm Hollow Dragoncraft, and welcome to Zach Jones, where tonight we're going to be building trash out of garbage.
Alright guys, I was just playing. We're really going to be going over the Essentials Kit tonight. So, we're going to take it and we're going to open it. Let's move the camera down. So, I've kind of already dug into it. Comes with some dice. Yay! Polyhedral dice. It's got 2d20s and 4d6s in there. For all your gaming needs. We'll get into this in a minute. It comes with your adventure. Ooh. Pretty cool. It's pretty little thick book. It tells you what things mean on maps on the back. Then it comes with your Essential Kit rulebook. Let me move this up a little. In here, I do believe it tells you can have sidekicks now. And it tells you about sidekicks in here somewhere. It tells you about leveling up and creating a character. I think it only does like a few races. Let's see, it does dwarf, elf, halfling, human, and then the classes it only does bard, cleric, fighter, rogue, and wizard. So I mean that's good if you're just getting into D&D. I will say that I like this kit better than the starter set here. Starter set, it came with like pre-made characters and stuff and all that good jazz, but I like this Essentials Kit a bit better. It's got more in it. Continuing on, you got this nice little cardboard DM screen. Got all your stuff you want to know, quick reference like. Then you've got a pretty good bit of character making sheets. That's always good to have. And then, last but not least, it's got D&D Beyond, 50% off, and all that good stuff. I'm never going to use this, so first come, first serve. If somebody wants to get it, get it. There's your chance. Anyways, let's get into this. It comes with this little box. These were like sheets of paper. But this is kind of nifty. I like this idea. So in here, you got like initiative trackers. So you got one, you know, you get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on and so on. Then you also got magical items. But it just gives you, like this one says, a +1 mace. You know, that's pretty cool just to give out to your players. That way you don't have to dig through the rule book. And then you get like quest items, little quest. I've put tape on them to mark them in here so I know what's what. But it's kind of nifty, a little side quest they can do. Let's see what else. in here you have some sidekicks. It gives you their basic little flaws and personalities and ideals and stuff like that. And then in the rule book, it gives you their stats. But there's quite a few of them. I mean, you can always, I do believe you can use any kind of character as a sidekick. You don't have to go by these. And then last but not least, there's like combat cards, and let's see what else. There's also like paralyzed cards and stuff like that somewhere in here that I must have skipped. If I can find them. Magic Island quest. Aha! Alright, so you have cards like Petrified. Well, Petrified. Incapacitated. Paralyzed. Frightened. Woo! Yeah. Restrained. Kinky. Prone. Poisoned. Charmed. Yeah. Anyways, you get the gist. I thought that was pretty nifty, guys, and I haven't ran the adventure yet. I plan on doing it very soon. But if you are interested in the Essentials Kit, I am doing a giveaway on it. It won't be this one. It'll be a brand new one. But if you're interested in it, I'm going to extend it till the end of September. So I'm going to leave a link to a video down below. Go check that, my previous video. Go check it out, and it'll tell you how to qualify to enter and to win. But I hope you guys like this. Please like and subscribe, and catch you on the flip side, guys. Keep on crafting.